Welcome to the Seller's Commerce tutorial on taxing. What you would do to modify or change your tax settings is you'd log into the admin to the dashboard area here. You're going to go to the settings tab and you're going to go to tax. From here, it's always helpful to go ahead and click on the on-page help. If you click this, it'll give you some more instructions on what each setting means. So you can go ahead and set the taxable states, which states you will be charging tax from, and then you can calculate the tax by their location. So if you select billing, it'll use the billing zip code. Shipping, obviously sometimes people have different billing and shipping addresses. Obviously you would maybe order something with your credit card and it's going to have your home address, but you want to have it shipped to work. Next, you can also set the store area, so that is determined based on the store location. So now if we want to go ahead and make some changes, we can go ahead in here to the taxable states and select individually the states you want to tax, or you can go ahead and select all. Keep in mind that there are going to be some states that you might not want to ship to in your typical tax setting. So maybe you don't ship to Alaska or U.S. territories, so you'd want to take those out and then save and exit which ones you want to keep. Um, Hopefully this answers your question on how to set up your tax. If you have any questions, please contact us through the help desk through the headset icon. Here you can go ahead and create a new support ticket and let us know what your needs are. Thank you and have a great day.